Kubernetes is a popular container orchestrator tool that is specially designed to automate container application management, scaling, and deployment. In this video, we will discuss the 7 most common pitfalls of Kubernetes that you should avoid. First is using the default namespace for all objects. Namespaces allow you to group different resources, such as deployments and services. In the development environment, using the default namespace might not be an issue, but it can cause production problems if you execute the command without mentioning the namespace. Second is lack of monitoring and logging. One of the pitfalls while setting up Kubernetes is ignoring the proper monitoring and logging. You should set up a log aggregation server and monitoring system to keep an eye on your application. That will help you not only see various bottlenecks in your system, but also how to measure and optimize the performance of your Kubernetes clusters. Third is incorrect labels and selectors. One of the frequent mistakes beginners make is the incorrect use of labels and selectors in the configuration. A non-matching selector puts the deployment resource into an unsupported state, and you might see an error related to an incorrect label and selector. Fourth is using the latest tag. The latest tag doesn't always deploy the version you think is the most recent one. Using the latest command for deployment, you will not be able to roll back to an earlier version. Fifth is wrong container port map to a service. If you are facing the error connection refused or no reply from containers, then it might be an issue of an incorrect container port mapped to the service. This is because the two parameters in the service are similar to each other. One is target port while the other is port. It is very easy to mix their usage and face the issue. Sixth is CrashloopBackOff Error. This means a container in the pod is beginning, crashing, resuming, and crashing again. This could happen either due to a shortage of CPU or memory resources, or when many containers attempt to lock the same file. There can be many reasons for this error. It can be a simple typo in the configuration file, lack of memory, incorrect configuration, etc. You need to check the pod description and pod logs to troubleshoot and fix the root cause. Lastly, ignoring health check. Health checks play a crucial role in maintaining your services. Health checks are highly underutilized in the Kubernetes environment. Through health checks, you keep an eye on the health of the pods and their containers. Managed Kubernetes is available on E2E Cloud. Click the link in the description to request a free trial.